The countdown to 8 p.m. has begun as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to address the nation today on the future plan of action with respect to the novel coronavirus outbreak in India. As the nation waits with bated breath, Twitter is busy creating memes and cracking hilarious jokes as #lockdown4 occupied the top spot on the trends list on the microblogging platform. India is in its 48th day of the ongoing lockdown, while the third phase of the nationwide lockdown will conclude on May 17th. Unless, of course, we are told about Lockdown 4.0. Prior to his address, Prime Minister Modi presided over a video conference meeting with chief ministers of states on Monday to discuss the current situation of the pandemic in the country. In the meantime, hilarious memes and jokes flooded Twitter as netizens used movie stills from films such as Hera Pheri, Simba, Kabil and Border to describe their current state of mind. Some users, in fact, have already assumed that another round of the lockdown is on the way. Have a look. After the Janata curfew on March 22, Prime Minister Modi had announced a nationwide lockdown starting from March 24 midnight. The first phase of the lockdown was expected to conclude on April 15 but was extended till May 3. The third extension of the coronavirus lockdown till May 17 was announced by the Ministry of Home Affairs on May 1. News Desk.